guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Diana the Paper Pineapple, and today I have a little unboxing from my Elle studio. I believe it's the July kit, so I just got it in the mail today, so I'm just going to go ahead and open this little package here with you guys. So I am way behind in my project life. I really need to get to catching up. Here's the summer's challenge. If you guys are interested in participating, I would suggest you guys go to their Instagram handle, which is, I believe it's Elle Studio. And so what you do is you do your projects, and then you just write your Instagram username here, and then you date your posts, and then at the end when you finish your 10, you can submit this and email it here and submit to have a $200 gift certificate to shop at Elle Studio. So there's that. So here is the kit here. I'm gonna go ahead and put this aside here. I didn't order anything this time around, although there was lots of things that I wanted. I'll just have to wait for next time. Okay, so here are the die cuts that come with the kit. Here's the first one. You got some labels, some notes, the details, a tough day, great day, summer tradition, favorite things to do outdoors, and the best right here. So those are those little guys. And then here you have a couple of circles. Yeah, favorite, date, some more labels. I like this one with the star, so those are cute. Here are the 4x6s that come with the kit. Usually send you 3. Here's this star one that'd be perfect for 4th of July. And this one with the fireworks, I like all that. And then here's highlights from this month. I like that, so it kind of gives you like a little overview. That's cute. And my favorite are the 3x4 cards. I always love the 3x4 because what I use most in my project life. So here is heat wave, hottest temperatures this summer for sure in my area. Top is 115. Crazy, right? And then here is the happy face, or the sad face. I guess you could document on what that moment is. The best thing about summer, I love that. A day to celebrate. Found and collected, I love this. Ice cream flavors, I love that because you eat a lot of ice cream in the summertime. And then your currentlies, I love that. Favorites this time of year, and you can use this card for any time of the year. You could just check off which one you want to document about. Let's have some fun, I love that. I love the different colors here. The stars, that's cute. Well, you can have it go this way. More stripes. On your mark, get set, go. I love that. This was the best. Your rating, 5 stars. The best adventure, I love that. You got some trees here for like hikes and outdoor things. That's cute. I love the different color circles and numbers. I love that for journaling. And the last but not least is fresh and local good eats. I love that. So yeah, these are the 3x4 guys. If you're interested, you can go check out Elle Studio and order yours or subscribe to your monthly kit. This is another good kit. I can't wait to use it, and hopefully I'll be catching up on my project life. I believe I got a lot to catch up on. We just got back from vacation, and so there's lots of things going on, and I just finished work, so now I get to spend a little bit more time documenting all the fun things. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next crafty video. Bye guys.